is a pancake morning. Sun is starting to come out, the skies are clearing up. This is going to be the first clear day I've seen in many days, and it looks pretty smoke-free as well. Yes. Okay, I went with a little bit of peanut butter and some banana and topped it off with honey. And that is my pancake. Mmm. Well, look at this. We ended up with a beautiful day. Clear blue skies. We have not seen this for weeks with all the smoke and everything. It looks like yesterday's rain kind of cleared all the smoke away. So we're down here at our awesome lakeside spot. Kelly's getting her fold-up kayak set up. And then we met up with Ryan, who is from Montana. So we got a local with us. Yeah. And he's got his inflatable. So we're gonna get aired up here and get out on this beautiful lake. Sweet. Well, here we all are out on the water. Darn near perfect day. What do you think? You want to try to maybe go in this cove up here? Or the other way?
I'm okay with anything. I'm just happy to be out here.
Yeah. Or we could try to cross. We could try to go across, maybe.
Anything goes because it's so
I know.
flat out.
It's pretty. Yeah, it's like calmer out in the middle. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that river delta is what grows all their food. So if Egypt puts a dam, or Ethiopia puts a dam,
It's like everything. It's like food. It's like how they like wash.
it's a source of life, right?
Yeah.
Soul, but as you know, like it's not
much, but
you know, these rocks you kind of get through.
Well, we paddled over to this little beach here. We're calling it Bear Beach, but we haven't seen any bears. Just take a little snack break, stretch the legs a little bit.
Yeah, Bear Beach turned out to be tamer than I thought.
Yeah, it's a nice little break spot. Oh, that was nice. We took this beach over. All right, well, this has turned into a little bit of a fiesta here. We're gonna doing like a Mexican. These guys are even gonna mix up margaritas. Got some ground beef here, seasoned up. A few tortillas warmed up. And mixed up some cilantro, some jalapenos, tomato, onion. And we got a whole nother deal happening over here. Some rice cooking up, cheese and salsas and avocado. I think this is, yeah, beans and corn. Oh my gosh, it is on. What do you think?
let's eat.
Let's eat, huh? Yeah. All right, that's what we're working with there. To wrap that up, it's on. Second round, we're doing a tostada. How is everything, guys?
Delicious.
Yeah.
We're doing a fiesta over here.
Yeah.
Well, we're waking up to another beautiful morning here on the lake. Sun is just coming up over the tree line here. Oh, it was so quiet here last night. And today is going to be departure day. Stayed here a couple nights. Just checking my oil here this morning before I was getting ready to take off, and found this little nest under the hood. I had to pick it out with this stick here. And I popped the hood, I noticed there was more of this missing here. So that led me to looking around, and right back in here on the engine block, little mice poke his head up over the top there. So I went in there with this stick to pull out all the nesting stuff. And I took some pepper in my hand and just blew it in there, some cayenne pepper, and just blew it kind of in his face. So hopefully he scrammed. I got a long day of driving today, so hopefully the heat will drive him out. And he won't try to stay. No hitchhikers. Didn't see him take off, but yeah, it's always troublesome. These mice, especially this time of year, they're trying to nest, find a place to hibernate for the winter. Anyway, looking forward to getting back on the road. It was awesome to camp out with Kelly, see her for a couple days. Hey you, any mice? No mice?
Clear for now.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, it is time to roll out of here. I really got to stop saying goodbye to this girl. We are going to part ways once again. She's going to a seasonal job in Michigan. I'm going to my seasonal job up in North Dakota. So we're hoping to reconvene just when our jobs are done. And then we should have a pretty good stretch of being able to travel and camp together after the jobs. That is the plan. This lake spot was awesome. It's kind of a nice base to go to the park, even though the weather was crappy. And having bad luck with Glacier National Park. The last time I came through here they had really bad wildfires, so it was closed down. This time it was smoky when we showed up, and then the rain came. And the rain has definitely helped clear the smoke up, but can't really see anything in the park when it's all foggy and rainy. So I will have to come by here once again. Maybe, probably not next summer, maybe the following summer. Plenty of other beautiful things out there, and you know, the clear day we had here on the lake kayaking was totally worth it. We talked about that. Well, we should have been in the park on that day, but you know, being out on that water in our little boats was so awesome. So we're going to get back on the road. Say goodbye, Kelly. It's cool camping out with Ryan. I met up with in town in Kalispell. That was just a chance meeting. He spotted my van. He had seen some of my videos in the past. Been traveling around in his Ford 4x4 Bigfoot truck camper combo. Super nice guy, Ryan. It was a pleasure to meet you, brother. Hope to run into you again. One of the best parts of being on the road is the awesome people you meet. So as we can see, we're going to start losing a lot of our trees here. Coming out of the epic tree-filled mountains to moving on into the plains in the Midwest. Rolling through the little town of Shelby, Montana. Downtown Shelby. More old brick buildings. Got this old motel sign. It's the Shelby Visitor Center. Nice little park there. that'd be it for Shelby, Montana. Oh, the wind picked up. We got a pretty good cross breeze going here. It's gonna cruise right along. Probably drive for another couple hours. I'm gonna try to find a camp just off Highway 2. Alright, looks like we found ourselves a dirt road here. It is a beautiful day. Looks like the wind has died down. Got nearly clear blue skies. Can't beat it. Do see water up ahead. Looks like it's free camping. I see donations welcome. Couple fifth wheels up here with no vehicles. Just gonna take a drive around here. Nice little beach down here. Like the end of the road. All right, I guess I'll go up top here. Looks like every one of these trailers does not have a vehicle here. I bet you quite a few people just drop off their trailers and come on the weekends. Cool, this will be a nice little overnight. This table is sideways. That looks like a van spot to me. Yeah, perfect. All right, well, this will work for a little overnight spot. Got a nice overlook of the reservoir here. Gave me a little grill and a little fire ring, table. That'll work. Well, I took a walk down to the little pavilion here. Got a nice little shaded area with this giant grill thing here. Looks like it's just a little walk down to the beach here. This is just a reservoir. Looks like the water's a little low. Take a walk down there. Nice grassy area here. It is about 75 degrees. Definitely a lot warmer here than where I just came from around Glacier National Park. Nice sandy beach area down here in the shade. This is cool. But this place gets pretty busy in the middle of summer. In the heat of summer with the boat launch here. Looks like there's a guy loading his boat up. And I just chill out on the beach for a little bit. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you joining me on my travels, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hope you're all doing well out there. Take care. Peace.